Okay, sir. So, good morning, everyone. So, today the presentation of ours is society and technology, and this is we are going to present it. And our group members are Vivek Oza, Bikram Adhikari, Parasmadi Chapagai, and it's me myself, Keshav Chalise. So, let's enter to the introductory part. Firstly, the technology. Use of available tools to ease the existing task is simply termed as technology. Whereas group of individual within a certain territory is society. Simply नेपाली भाषामा भन्नुपर्दा समाज भनौँ. And the technology can influence any society positively or negatively. Means अब समाजलाई चाहिँ टेक्नोलोजीले पोजिटिभली अर नेगेटिभली जुन हिसाबले पनि इन्फ्लुएन्स गरिराखेको हुन्छ भन्ने देखिन्छ यहाँ. Technology determines how people interact with each other on a daily. So society can also affect scientific research and technological innovation, and how these in turn affect society, politics, and culture. So यहाँ देख्न सकिन्छ the photo is showing that the science, society, and technology are interrelated to each other. एकअर्कामा कतिको परिपूरक छन् त भनेर चाहिँ हामी यहाँ देख्न सकिन्छ. So science seeks to improve society, whereas society demands more science. Also here, society benefits from technology, whereas technology makes the life easier for the society. And simply science informs the technology, whereas technology demands more science. So how the technology is helpful or harmful to the society, we are going to discuss here. Also the impact of technology and society will also be describing here. Now I would like to hand over my mic to my friend Parasmadi.
Thank you, Keshav. So now I'm describing about the impact of technology on society. There are different impacts of technology on society. समाजमा धेरै इम्प्याक्ट हुन्छ टेक्नोलोजीको. डिफ्रेन्ट भेकल्सले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामी एकदमै टाढा टाढा पनि सजिलै जान सक्छौँ. कार एबिलिटी टु ट्राभल लङ डिस्टेन्स फास्टर एन्ड इजियर. एक्सरेले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम इन्जुरीहरू बाहिरैबाट भित्र देख्न सकिन्छ. We have comfortable housing and enhanced education. There are many effects of technology on society. Due to the advancements in different vehicles like cars, buses, etc., there are many accidents, air pollution, noise pollution, etc. Too many X-rays can cause cancer, depletion of natural resources. The effects of technology makes student dull and lazy. Now I'd like to hand over my mic to Vivek Oza for further presentation.
Now I would like to continue with the positive effect of technology on society. There are different positive as well as negative effect of technology in society. At first, we are going to the positive effect of technology on the society. Technology has makes health app which can track the chronic illness and communicate by vital information to the doctor. It has makes easier, faster, and more effective way of communication. We can easily communicate with the people of far away from us with the help of technology. And technology has make more efficient manufacturing techniques. They have make due to invention of different machineries and tools. It is easier for manufacturing of different product. Similarly, the ability of to develop the new innovative approaches has become easier with the help of technology. Technology also has helped to save our time. Different different use of technology saves our a lot of time. Now, similarly, there are some adverse effect of technology on the society, like social media and mobile device has leads to psychological and physical issues. Extended screen time can result the health ramification like insomnia, eye strain, and increased anxiety and depression. Nowadays, we can see the different case of anxiety and depression. Many people are committing suicide. Similarly, the overuse of technology may have a more significant impact on developing children and teenagers. It is also addicting and it can turn to our communication skill. So, technology has adverse effect on our society as well. Now I would like to request my friend Bikram to continue the slide.
धन्यवाद हामी चित्रमा चाहिँ यहाँ टेक्नोलोजी चाहिँ मान्छेलाई कसरी बाँधेर राखेको छ हामीले हाम्रो क्षमतामा यसले हामीलाई हाम्रो क्षमतामा काम गर्नलाई सजिलो पनि बनाएको छ भने हामीलाई हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनलाई चाहिँ बाँधेर राखेको छ हेर्न सक्छौं यहाँ न्यूजपेपरहरू कसरी रिप्लेस हुँदै टेक्नोलोजीले न्यूजपेपरलाई रिप्लेस गरेको छ हामी अगाडि नेक्स्ट स्लाइड recommendation countries and communities should be fairly compensated for their contribution of plant genetic resources that lead to commercially profitable technologies. Technology should be addressing the basic needs of disadvantaged people. Efforts should be on developing countries to better assess scientific expertise, information, and technology. Systematic measures involving all countries in research on global change should be initiated. Developing countries' scientific knowledge of local condition and effects should be harnessed in the global context. Efforts should be laid to understand, predict, and adapt to global change. Technology should be focused in global scale to counter global challenges like climate change and pandemics. Next one. Summary. Technology and society are closely dependent to one another and one affects the another in almost every way. Technology can influence society positively or negatively. Society can also influence the pace of development of technology, which will in turn influence the society's pace of evolution. Technology, when utilized in a global comparative manner, can positively impact the world to counter global challenges like climate change and health crises like pandemics. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
This
sir.
is
That's
our
our time.
ओके ल ठिक छ है इट वाज अ गुड प्रेजेन्टेसन तर तपाईहरुको नि टेक्स्टहरु चाहिँ असाध्यै धेरै भयो है प्रेजेन्टेसनमा अलिअलि घटाउनुस् अहिलेको भन्दा चाहिँ इट्स अ भेरी इम्प्रुभ प्रेजेन्टेसन है तर त्यही पनि टेक्स्टहरु चाहिँ केही स्लाइडहरुमा धेरैमा छैन तीनटा मात्रै स्लाइडहरुमा तपाईको सेकेन्ड स्लाइडमा र लास्टको चाहिँ दुईटा स्लाइडहरुमा चाहिँ अलिकति बढी टेक्स्टहरु छ त्यो पार्टहरुमा चाहिँ अलिकति सच्याउनुहोस् र एकदमै ध्यान दिनुहोस् है प्लिज तपाईको प्रेजेन्टेसन बनाउने बेलामा स्लाइडहरु बनाउने बेलामा होल प्याराग्राफ होल सेन्टेन्सहरु लेख्ने होइन तपाईको म्याक्सिमम एउटा बुलेटमा चाहिँ दुईटा अथवा तीनटा टर्मिनोलोजीहरु दिने त्यो टर्मिनोलोजी अनि यु हैव टु एक्सप्लेन दैट टर्मिनोलोजी है त्यो पार्टमा एकदमै ध्यान दिनुहोस् ओके विवेक